always wanted to go to Puerto Rico. Gracias. And so I am here on the south side of Gran Canaria, and I'm going to Maspalomas Beach, which has been highly recommended. It's supposed to be really interesting. There's a big, beautiful dune, something like that. The bus there took about an hour. It cost €6, and they leave every 20 minutes, so very convenient. This is definitely tourist mania here. And it's 25 degrees Celsius, in case you're curious. Maspalomas Playa Beach, this way, okay. There's the Maspalomas Lighthouse. Now I won't be taking a swim today because I didn't even bring my shorts. The weather was so funky back up there in Las Palmas, and I really wasn't expecting it to be this nice down here. I didn't know, I didn't check the weather or anything, but this is a pleasant surprise for sure. But it isn't like hot, like you gotta jump in the water anyway. So I just figured today would be an interesting exploring day, walking around, checking out this part of the island and seeing the dunes at the beach here. There's definitely plenty to see around here. As if I don't look skinny enough already. That's a funny looking shadow. And here are the dunes of Maspalomas. A lot of tasty looking dishes here. Too bad I'm not hungry yet. Yes. Gotta go for one of those. So here's a plaque showing some other places to visit on the island. Artiara Archaeological Area. Be sure to visit Artiara Aboriginal Cemetery, which is just a half hour from Punta Mujeres. The cemetery is listed as an archaeological heritage site of the highest order by the Spanish state. The necropolis, which is over 1,000 years old, is situated on an immense field of chaotic rocky rubble. Almost 900 tombs. Leaving Artiara and heading for the center of the island, you can visit the picturesque village of Fataga, which has restaurants offering local specialties. Tunte, the capital of the municipality, is further inland at 900 meters above sea level. Visitors may stroll around its streets, eat, and visit Casa Yanez, a 19th century mansion. But check it out, some archaeological ruins right here. That was the sign right over there. It mentioned Punta Mujeres. So here's Punta Mujeres. Yacimiento Arqueológico. These stone walls were once part of an Aboriginal settlement which existed over 1,000 years ago. The remains of at least 3 houses, a cooking area, and an outer protecting wall can be seen. Casa, house. And so that is right over here. People have been here for a long time. Can't blame them. Gran Canaria. Maspalomas 2017. That's it for today, folks. Time to catch the bus back to Las Palmas. Hasta luego.